first court appearance today for a mother arrested on suspicion of texting while driving with an infant on her lap.
As Eyewitness News reporter Rob Hayes tells us, this is not the woman's first scrape with traffic officers.
It's not often you see news stories about people arraigned for non-injury driving charges. But the case of Shondia Bowen is drawing the ire of a growing number of people.
It's probably the most egregious case that I've heard of.
Breaks my heart that those parents don't care enough to take care of their kids.
Bowen was arrested Tuesday afternoon when a motorist spotted her driving on the 405 freeway. Police say she had a 1-year-old sitting in her lap. In the back seat, a 2-year-old in a car seat but unrestrained, and a 4-year-old also not wearing a seatbelt. But the kicker? Police say Bowen was texting while all this was going on.
The district attorney's office filed misdemeanor child endangerment charges against her, and I believe that in this situation, because the children were not harmed, they decided to go with the misdemeanor charge.
There's 3 different alleged victims.
And this isn't Bowen's first problem with the law. According to court records, she is already on probation for a previous child endangerment conviction and has a long history of moving violations with at least 6 arrest warrants pending. Bowen's case isn't eliciting much support from other mothers.
To me, it said neglect, because she should have made sure that all her kids were secured in the car, and it's very dangerous for her to be driving with her baby in her lap.
No excuse at all. I mean, even if the baby's crying, pull over, take care of the baby, the kids in the back, and then start driving again.
Police say Bowen's children were taken into protective custody and turned over to the Department of Children and Family Services. Bowen's bail has been set at $75,000. Meanwhile, police say this arrest, which comes during Distracted Driving Awareness Month, highlights the dangers cell phones pose while on the road.
Statistics show that texting while driving is basically the equivalent of someone being legally drunk.
In Torrance, Rob Hayes, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.